Okay, students, we are here with the illustration 4. Illustration 4 is already given to you, that is Sila, Surbi and Seema, the partners, sharing the profit and loss in 5:7:9. So, if you divide it, if you put in the ratio 5 plus 7 plus 9, that is 21. So, pi upon 21, 7 upon 21 and 9 upon 21. Manager Sanket is entitled to receive 10% commission from profit after deduction of his such commission. So manager Sanket is entitled to get how much? 10% after deduction. Underline that line in your textbook. After deduction of his such commission. That means after deducting that commission, he is entitled to get 10% commission. But here it is given to Surbi receives share in profit of rupees 7,000. That means Surbi is already got the share of 7,000 in the profit, having the share of 7 by 21. So he got 7,000 as a share of in profit. So before calculating the manager's commission, we need to calculate what is the total divisible profit. Yes, and on that divisible profit, we are going to give 10% commission to manager Sanket. Right? So now, basically, we have to suppose it. Suppose the total profit will be 1. The total profit will be 1. Therefore, Surbi's share in profit is equal to 7 by 21. Yes, can we say that it is 7 by 21? Therefore, you have to cross multiply. If Surbi's share in profit is 7 by 21, then total profit is, then at that time total profit is 1. Right? Now, if Surbi's share in profit is 7, this is share. Now, if Surbi's profit, here it is given to you in the textbook, yes, Surbi's profit is 7,000. What will be the total profit of the firm? That means we have to just calculate it of the firm and then divisible profit. What will be the divisible profit? And on that divisible profit, we are going to calculate 10% manager's commission. So, what will happen over here? If you cross multiply, therefore 7,000 into 1 into 7 by 21. Now, if this it is divided only, it comes, so you are going to interchange that number 21 by 7. Yes, 21 by 7. How it is coming? I just wrote it over here. I'll just show it over here that you will come to know. See, this is 7,000 into 1. Cross multiply 7,000 into 1. 7,000 into 1. Division 7 upon 21. The number which is divided, again it is been come in the division, this number goes up. This number goes up. So 21 is coming in the numerator form, and so 7,000 into 1 into 21 by 7. Right? Have you understood this? How 21 by 7? Because sometimes you will ask, sir, this 7 by 21 is there, how you took 21 by 7? Because it is coming division under division. So division upon division is 7 by, again ratio is there 7 by 21. So this 21 you are going to write it on the numerator, and the 7 will be coming in the denominator itself. So 7,000 into 1 into 21 by 7. So if you multiply it, basically how much amount will come? 7 ones are and 7 1,000, and 1,000 into 21, that is 21,000 will be the divisible profit. So therefore, divisible profit is equal to rupees 21,000. Right? Rupees 21,000. Now, the next step I told you that divisible profit we are going to calculate now the manager's commission. Manager Sanket, how much he was? Manager Sanket is entitled to get 10% of commission, 10% of commission from total profit, from divisible or total profit, that is one and the same. Therefore, manager's commission is equal to 21,000 into 10% is 2,100, right? You are going to write it over here, that is 2,100. Manager's commission, right? The next step, what is the profit before commission? That means you are going to determine the amount of commission, also determine the profit before commission of the manager. Now you have to get it, profit before commission of manager, profit before commission of manager. Now if you want to calculate the profit before commission of the manager, that is very much simple. Divisible profit plus manager's commission, that will be the total profit. So therefore, divisible profit plus manager's commission, you will get is equal to, divisible profit is 21,000 plus manager's commission is 2,100. Therefore, profit before that, you saw that is divisible profit, that you got it from here 21,000, and the manager's commission is 2,100. So you will be getting, you have to add it over here, that is divisible profit plus manager's commission. So 21,000 plus 2,100, that is 23,100. That will be the total profit before commission of a manager. Yes, that will be the profit before commission of a manager. So these things you are going to find it first. You are going to, in the question it is asked, you are going to find the divisible profit, you are going to find the manager's commission, and lastly you are going to find the profit before commission of a manager, right? And now before finding the, you cannot find directly the manager's commission, because you have to find the divisible profit. Such type of sums are expected in the examination, because you have to see that if the share is given and that person's profit is given, that means the 7,000 is given, you have to do the sum like this way. You have to assume the total profit of the firm can be 1. So the Surabhi's share profit is 7 by 21, and so definitely the cross multiplication you can do, and then afterwards you can get the manager's commission, and the last you can get profit before commission of manager, right? You can just have a look over here, students. If any doubts are there, you can just ask me. Otherwise, I'll switch it over to the next illustration.